The open stormwater drainage system is frequently used in Malaysia. The system is used to convey excess surface runoffs and efficiently remove surface water from areas posing a threat to human safety. However, due to intense rain event and reduction of the system performance, water cannot drain out in time and cause flood event. The drainage system is often affected by clogging, sedimentation and vegetation. Thus, a flow regulator gate is proposed to provide sustainable stormwater management and maintain the drainage capacity. The device is divided into two subsystems, namely, gate opening subsystem and gate frame subsystem. The main component is as shown in the diagram above, i.e., gate frame, gate leaf, stopper bar and hinges. Besides, an automated control system is implemented to enhance the performance of the regulator gate. This new model allows the gate operation during dry season and smart communication between the devices when multiple gates are used. The device operation is made up of two phases. The first phase is the storage phase, during which water is stored behind the gate until the water level reach a value that leads to the rotation and opening of the gate. At the moment when the gate opens, the flushing phase starts and stored water is rapidly discharged. After the flush, the receding water level upstream of the gate rotate the lower part of the gate and the gate starts to close with another storage phase being started. The device can be operated electronically by the servo motor and water level sensor/clock setting. The sudden release of the blocked water volume created a flushing wave. Higher upstream water level results in higher potential energy per unit weight of water for flushing, creating bigger scouring effect and increasing weight of flushed sediment. Multiple gates can be applied in the drainage network to retain the water and regulate the flow through communication between the gates. This aim is to reduce water congestion at the bottleneck at the drainage junction by adjusting the gate opening water level. The novelty of this device covers the automatic flow control system and drainage network, diverting drainage flow and water volume efficiently. Applications of series of devices help to coordinate the stormwater flow and improve the efficiency of drainage system. Cost-saving technology with the ability to clean and control sediment built up in drainage system compared to manual drain cleaning.